Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel today. We'll go over the big secret to conquering women. Previously, many people assumed that conquerors of women were only village playboys. However, there have been great men throughout history who have created great works of noble heritage and are smitten by many women. The first secret being a good man, the role of sacrifice in becoming a protector of women. But don't misunderstand me. We're not talking about going out and picking up girls or spending a lot of money and effort to get their attention. We're talking about sacrifice, which makes you a strong man and a good leader and protector of women. On the battlefield, ancient heroes willingly sacrificed their blood and lives for the safety and survival of women and children. So don't compare your sacrifice to that of a clown entertainer. No, the sacrifices that women require from men in this world are sacrifices that increase your qualifications. The trick is to be a mature man, a smart man, and a wise man, not a clown or a nice guy. Discipline to participate in brain ball sports and exercise your senses, and sacrifice momentary pleasures to become a more qualified man. Don't treat women as mere objects or as targets for affection. Many girls today are broken because they met the wrong guy. Many girls have turned evil as a result of bad men destroying their lives. Don't forget to sacrifice properly, to be a good man, and to never treat a woman inappropriately. The second, beyond handsome, the characteristics of a truly attractive man. As much as we'd like to believe that appearance is the only thing that matters, the truth is that being a good-looking guy doesn't always imply being handsome. While some people are born with attractive features, this is not the only way to be considered attractive. When you look at some of the world's most successful and well-known people, you will notice that their physical appearance varies greatly. What distinguishes them from the competition is their quality, confidence, and personal hygiene. Taking care of your appearance is one of the keys to being a good-looking guy. Wear clean and ironed clothes. Keep yourself clean and smelling fresh. And most importantly, stand tall and confidently. These minor modifications can have a significant impact on how others perceive you. Another important characteristic of attractive men is their ability to constantly learn and improve. They don't make excuses for their shortcomings and don't envy those who have it easier. Instead, they draw inspiration from other people's successes and use it to fuel their own growth and self-improvement. It's critical to remember that good looks alone will not make you a good-looking guy. It all comes down to how you carry yourself, your confidence, and your willingness to learn and grow. So if you want to be a good-looking guy, work on developing these characteristics and serving as a role model for others. The third, becoming a respectable and classy man women want. Taming women can be difficult for many men, but there are some who appear to be able to effortlessly make women obey them. How do they manage it? The answer is straightforward. They become leaders who women eagerly follow. Before you think that means you have to be forceful or threatening, let me clarify that being a leader is about instilling trust and confidence in women. You want women to believe what you say is true and that following your lead will lead to a better life in this world and the next. This is in stark contrast to the traditional belief that men will be more likable to women if they obey them. In reality, if you become submissive and allow a woman to take advantage of you, she will grow bored and seek a more dominant partner. It's important to remember that women have a natural proclivity for submission, and they want to surrender to a man who can guide them in the right direction. Being a bad boy comes into play here. You don't have to be a jerk, but your actions and decisions should be assertive and confident. To compel women to obey you voluntarily, you must first establish yourself as a leader in whom they can place their trust. Instill confidence in them, demonstrate that you have a life plan, and make them feel safe and protected in your presence. You'll become the type of man that women want to be around, and they'll eagerly follow your lead as a result. You must be a man who can prove to himself that what he says is consistent, that he fights logically, that he has principles, that he has a stand, and that he proves it with evidence, not just words. You must also exercise regularly if you want him to be more concerned about your health. If you want him to act feminine, you must first act masculine. You shouldn't just follow DMS or give gifts to hot girls if you want him to take care of himself on social media. The talk is what makes women respect you. You understand that the best sacrifice you can make for women is the sacrifice you make to become a classy man. You don't have to be handsome to win a woman's love and loyalty, and you'll be able to win her love and loyalty if you have qualities that make her respect you as a leader in other ways. To be a respected man, you must be consistent in your words, logical, principled, and take a stand. Instead of just using empty words, you should provide evidence to back up your claims. If you want your partner to prioritize their health, you must also exercise regularly, my friend. If you want your partner to be more feminine, you should be masculine. If you want your partner to be responsible on social media, you should set a good example by not following DNS or sending gifts. Communication is essential for gaining the respect of a woman, my friend. Making yourself a respectable and classy man is the best way to win a woman's heart. It is not necessary to be physically attractive to win her love and loyalty, as long as you have qualities that make her look up to you as a leader in other areas of life.